Come kiss me one more time. I couldn't dream this up, even if I tried. You and me in this moment feels like magic, don't it? I'm right where I wanna be. Everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go, saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Lying next to you in this bed with you, I ain't convinced, 'cause I don't know how heaven could be better than this. I swear you're an angel sent to this world. What did I do
Hayden.
to deserve
You want to say hi to your sister?
Stay here forever.
That's
I'd
your
be fine
sister.
if we never had to even leave this home.
There she is. Yeah, she's
Everybody's
sleeping.
talking about
Hayden,
heaven like
come
they
here.
just can't wait to go, saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Lying next.
No, should've left it open. Now we're losing focus, 'cause you're too close. I keep asking what I want the most. I'm scared I never let you go. That's why I never wanna get this close. Whoa. There